In this video, we will show you how to replace one of the modules. In case one of the modules needs to be replaced, this can be done easily. It is only necessary to turn off the controller and remove the module. In order that the module configuration is not lost, we must insert the new module into the same slot the module being replaced was. We insert a new module until it clicks and it's done. The controller can be turned on again and it is ready to go. That's all. Thank you.